Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about Excel syntax and how we can use the formulas and do arithmetic operations in Excel. Those things we will see in this class. So let us get into the class. So if you want to zoom it, you can zoom it. Yes, okay. So if you write equal to, so equal to, so we can write here also, you can write here also, plus 1 plus 1, then press enter, you will get, addition, addition of two numbers, and write again, equal to 2 into 56, and what is the output? 112. What is the output? 112. And write equal to 35 divided by 7. There's a problem formula, not typing formula. So we are getting some error. 7 modulus 35. There's a problem with this formula, not trying to type a formula. When the first character is an equal to or minus sign, Excel thinks it's a formula. You type equal to cell rows column to get around this, type an apostrophe first and do. So, okay, like you have to write an apostrophe here, type enter. So the modulus operator is not working. We have to do only addition and subtraction and multiplication also. Let us try. Let us try subtraction 34. So we got the answer. So division is not coming. Yeah. So 4 divided by 2. So write equal to here. And it's showing this pop-up. Okay. I will explain in the next class how to execute division operations in the next class. Let's leave this thing. So we can do addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this is how we can do the arithmetic operations in Excel. So you can see the cell number, cell reference number. This is the cell, and it is having a reference number A1, and it's having A2, it is having A3, so it is having A4. So it is a reference number. You can see the reference number here. Reference number here. So let us write A1 is equal to 358 and B1 equal to, so see here, when you change the cell, it is coming the cell reference number. Right here, 56 and write 470, 376 and 23 and type here. So as equal to, is equal to, you have to write is equal to first, and how to subtract A1. What is this is the A1, right? This is the A1 and this is the B1. So I want to subtract B1 from A1. I hope you understand. I have to subtract from B. I have to subtract from. I have to subtract the B1 from A1. So what we have to do? First, we have to click on this A1. See here, I got A1, right? Then I have to write minus symbol and have to click on B1. So I have written the formula A1 minus B1. So what I have got, see, the subtraction is 3 not 2. So 58 minus 56, it's 2. So it's a 300, it's 302. I hope you understand how you can subtract in Excel. In the same way, we can do addition also. In the same way, we can do addition also. So how can we do? Equal to plus, that's it. We can get the addition like this. We can do multiplication also. We can do multiplication also as equal to A1 multiplication. Then we get the multiplication. So this is how we can use the formulas in Excel. And we can do like this also. We can do like this also. So this is A2, right? And this is B1. So how can we write? Equal to, I want A2. So the A1 and it is A2. A2, see here, A2. And I am multiplying with B1. So I'm multiplying with B1. So I want the result. See, I get the 21,056 as a result. So this is how we can add, subtract, and multiply the numbers in Excel. This is the formula that we can create using equal to symbol. So for the division operations, I will explain in the next class. So this is the simple Excel syntax, how we can use in the Excel. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubt in the class, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.